Hey, I'm Mia, and this is my life in Japan.
Today we're at Nitori, which is kind of like a Japanese version of IKEA. Here we are in the fake plant section.
Founded in the year 1967, Nitori is Japan's largest home and furniture store chain. Akio Nitori, who is the founder of the brand, is also the company's current president.
Sadie would like that one. Ooh, I like this one. This one's nice.
So you have a lot more color.
Yeah, well, I'm starting to like a little more color. They have a lot of stuff. Ooh, that one's pretty.
That, I think, is your style.
Oh, I do like that one. And this one with the bunnies.
I'm surprised.
I wouldn't want it, but I like it.
We came to Nitori today to look for a carpet.
So currently, Mom doesn't like any of the carpets that Nitori has, so probably not gonna pick out her dream carpet today. But my gimbal's working well. This is the first time that I've actually used it and taken it out anywhere. It's pretty cool. I really like that one.
And do you want it for your bed?
No. Okay. Ready? Alright, where should we go next? There's so much to see. Refrigerators, pottery, stuffed animals, containers. Oh, those look cool. No, I'm good.
There are over 400 Nitori stores in Japan today, and around 50 in Taiwan, China, and the US.
They don't have any like regular looking hangers. Okay, we're now going upstairs because why not? Let's see if I can go up it backwards. Whoa. Oh wow, this place is pretty cool. That's really cute. Do they have non-blinking lights? Like that. But I don't want them to blink. Yeah. I feel like they kind of were inspired / copied IKEA. Alright guys, here we are at Nitori. Just kind of walking around. Oh, those kids are on the couches. Alright, we're just looking at all the stuff.
This was our first time coming to this Nitori store, and it was definitely very similar to IKEA in a lot of different ways. They don't have a cafeteria and you can't buy live plants there, but it was still a fun place to go and walk around.
Put your legs down. Put your legs out.
We're now going back downstairs because we didn't really see everything. Got some Christmas llamas. I don't know, I think this is a reindeer. Got a Christmas monkey.
They sell basically all the items that you would find in an IKEA, as well as many Japanese items of course, like slippers and rice bowls.
We're in the pots and pans section right now. And that was our trip to Nitori, Japan's IKEA. If you'd like to see more vlogs from Asia, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I appreciate you and your view. Thank you guys so much for watching.